not me like usual. I'm still doing shit all over. Now here's when I cross. What? I keep my mouth shut.
Burping air.
Is our tires burping?
Sounded like the front one just let a little.
It's hard to tell. It's just a little bit of sand on the rocks. Still got a couple inches to come up over here.
Still climbing a little on the front passenger.
Starting to slide this way pretty good.
There you go. That's a good call right there. Just turn into it. Pop on up.
No. You're going to drop in like 2 inches on this front. You just don't like it at all. Coming forward, you're good. Crank it as hard as you can. Keep coming. Now right up on that point. Now just follow it.
You got it. Cake from there.
I can see why you have so much bedside gas wheeling up. Most of the trails are anything like this.
Yeah.
Which line are you taking?
I want to try this one.
Have you done this one before? You're going to be climbing pretty soon on the driver. Climbing a little over here.
Get some air in the back.
Yeah.
You're
Whee!
about 3 inches from climbing on the driver. You're not even tippy. Your back tire's 6 inches at most. You don't want to turn driver or you're going to fall in that hole. Bring in a little more passenger.
It's going to come up soon.
Passenger forward. Driver on that rock.
Turn driver just a hair. There you go, right there. Yeah, right there.
See if it climbs up.
Okay, your driver's coming up now. There you go. You're leveling out. Slow.
Yep, straight forward where you're at. Or hold on, Ike. From there you can even turn out of it this way if you don't want to try and climb that.
No, climb over.
I
Yeah.
wouldn't do that.
Just straighten it out and come straight through.
Yeah, man, you got it.
That's a good line. You got lined up on it real good.
Tires you can climb that, just going under.
Oh, no.
You're undercut now.
Undercut. Can you get up it a little sooner?
If he backs up and goes driver a little more, he might get up.
No, back up passenger.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, right there.
Nice. Whoa. Front locker would have been nice right there.
Yep. You almost have it. Forward driver or
It's almost up. Yeah.
You don't think you can turn out of it this way?
Maybe. Take him real slow.
Maybe.
You keep going.
Alright, you spot him.
Once.
It's up to you. You can back back out, or he's thinking of...
Back out, or you might be able to turn out of it passenger, kind of like John did.
No, I climbed over there.
No, John.
Oh. Well, no, John really took a totally different line.
Yeah, I'd square up to the ledge if he wants to come my way. That's gonna...
I mean, from where he's at. Well,
Nope.
if you come this way out of that where you're at, you're going to have to back up. That'd probably be better.
Oh, that sucks. Alright, just make sure